Do you want to know how to use the Stitch tool on TikTok? At this time, if the Stitch feature doesn't work for your TikTok, don't worry. TikTok allows users to take a short clip from another user's video and add their own value. It's a great way to collaborate with the creators and add your unique perspective to trending content. Here's how to fix Stitch feature not working issue and how to use the Stitch tool on TikTok. Open TikTok, tap Me icon, tap Setting and Privacy. Tap Privacy, scroll down, now tap Snitch. Select everyone. After this now, you need to open the TikTok app on your mobile device. After that, find the video you want to stitch. Tap the share icon on the right hand side of the screen. From the options that appear, select Stitch. This will open up the Stitch editor. You'll see the original video on the top half of the screen and a new recording window on the bottom half. Just resize the video that you may want to use, you're connected. After that, tap Next. Now use the recording window to add your spin to the video. You can record up to 15, 60, or 3 minutes of your content. Once you're happy with your recording, tap the check mark icon to move to the editing screen. You can trim your recording on the editing screen and add any text, stickers, or other effects you want. After editing, tap Next to move to the caption and sharing screen. Add a caption and any relevant hashtags, then tap Post to share your stitched video with the world. That's it! With the Stitch tool on TikTok, you can collaborate with other creators and add your unique twist to trending content.